Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use log tables for division and multiplication. First, understand that logarithm tables are powerful tools that simplify complex calculations. They transform multiplication into simple addition and division into straightforward subtraction. This method was essential before electronic calculators, making large number operations much more manageable. Grasping the fundamental properties of logarithms is your first step to mastering this technique. To multiply numbers using a log table, begin by finding the logarithm of each number you want to multiply. Once you have these individual logarithms, simply add them together. This sum represents the logarithm of your product. Finally, consult an antilogarithm table to find the number that corresponds to this sum. That resulting number is the product of your original multiplication problem. For division, the process is quite similar. Start by finding the logarithm of your dividend and the logarithm of your divisor. Instead of adding, you will subtract the logarithm of the divisor from the logarithm of the dividend. The difference you obtain is the logarithm of your quotient. To get your final answer, look up this difference in an antilogarithm table, revealing the actual quotient. Using log tables provides a fantastic way to perform complex calculations quickly, especially when a calculator isn't available. Consistent practice with different sets of numbers will greatly enhance your speed and accuracy, making you proficient in this classic mathematical skill. Remember, the more you practice, the more intuitive it becomes. Check the description for a link to the Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals, perfect for reading up on more math or your favorite novels. Keep exploring the power of logarithms.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.